She crossed herself as she put on her things. She has promised once before not to live this way. If she don't calm down, she will burn herself out like a forest fire. Doesn't that make you smile? If you don't slow down, I swear that I'll come round and mess up your place. Let's go for a spin. They say we shouldn't even know each other, and that we'll be undone. Don't it make you smile like a forest fire? Well, I believe in love. Well, I believe in anything that's gonna get me what I want, get me off my knees. Then we'll tear this house down. It will feel so good. There's a forest fire every time we get together. Hey, gonna pick you up, gonna put you down, rip you up and spin you around just like I said. Because we're a forest fire, believe we will tear this place down. If we get caught in this wind, and we could burn the ocean. If we get caught in this sea, we're gonna be undone. It's just a simple metaphor. It's for a burning love. Don't it make you smile like a forest fire? Don't it make you smile like a forest fire? Don't it make you like a forest fire? Thank you very much. Good luck to you.